Today's project is a 2005 F350 with the Powerstroke diesel, replacing the glow plugs and the wire harness. All 8 glow plugs. They've never been touched. They're old, they're brittle, they suck. And the wires broke off as I was trying to remove them. One came out. I got a couple of them out, but I got 2 of them that were broke, and they broke off on the inside there. You can see it down there, but anyway, so it was this part that broke. I've got the removal tool. This stupid thing costs like 20 bucks, and that plastic is so brittle, it just snapped right off. Anyway, so I was stuck. I was trying to figure out how to get that piece out of there. This piece here. And there's a lot of videos online. Oh, you got to take the valve cover off, and you got to get a 90-degree pick and pull at it and everything else. And I'm not about to do that. So what I did is, if I can find it, there it is. I just took a sheetrock screw, 1.5 inches, and I screwed it into where the wire came out. And just make sure it's nice and snug, and then I took a pliers and just kind of pulled on it. I had previously soaked down the outside of the rubber connector with WD-40. I let that sit for a little bit, and it still broke. But once I got this in here, I got it in here, you know, nice and tight. Can't move it side to side. Gave it a couple of tugs and it came out. And so now I got one more over here to do. But yeah, it worked out pretty well.